Many products today use embedded software. Everything from the phones that we use, our televisions, our cars, we see software in many of the products that we interact with every day. As such, software becomes a key part of understanding that product definition. To allow companies to more completely define and understand the right configuration for the market, PTC supports the ability in Windchill to link to those remote software repositories, allowing you to trace and show the right embedded software for that product configuration. This allows, throughout the digital thread, to have the complete and holistic definition of the product lifecycle, ensuring that you have the right software linked to the right product hardware so you get the right results all the way from engineering through manufacturing and out through service. One of the capabilities that Windchill leverages to support embedded software is an open methodology of working with different software IDE environments, allowing both software engineers and design engineers to easily link the software executable or deliverable to the bill of material. It allows a full lifecycle process to understand the software that's embedded, traced to the full product structure and bill of material, and involve that in the change process in a very open and closed loop process. Some of the best practices for working with software are to ensure, again, you've got the right level of collaboration on the software, so you've got the right deliverables at the right time, making them part of that overall change lifecycle. This allows a holistic view of the change and the product as it's released, so you're ensure that you've got the right solution that's going out the door. One of the challenges with embedded software is potentially over-communicating the software that's related. In software development, there can be many iterations of software for one release of hardware. One practice that can be bad or tough is to try to link every iteration of software to a design of the physical hardware, making it almost impossible for users to differentiate, find the right version, and make sure they're managing the changes effectively.